Hi friends, from this new video what we are going to look, if you are typing for some abbreviations, automatically it has to come for full name. That is what we are going to look over here. So what we have to do right now, we have to go for options, okay, then you have to select for proofing, then you have to select for autocorrect options, okay, whatever shortcuts you need for the expansion, just you can type it over here, and what is the expansion also you have to give it in the with box, then you have to click as add. This is a way you have to give for multiple word also. Okay, right now I am giving for the example only for the 3 words that I have typed over here. I have added also. Then once you have been added, just you can click as okay, okay, and you have to give for okay over here. Now you can type it SBI. If you are typing for small, it will not come because we have given over there for capital. That's a reason, and for TN we did not give. That's a reason it is not coming over here. I think this will be very useful for you. If it is useful, you can subscribe this channel.